So fetal behavior means the response of a fetus to intrinsic and intrinsic changes or stimuli. Fetal posture movements and even study of fetal anatomy are considered as behavior studies. So we study the fetal anatomy, fetal postures, any movements, the way the fetus moves, and the duration for which that movement exists is included in the behavior. Similarly, there are a few things like how the fetus responds to different stimuli or to the external atmosphere that is also included. For fetal psychology, the behaviorally speaking, there's little difference between a newborn baby and a 32 weeks old fetus. So anything after 32 weeks will be similar to the newborn. A new wave of research suggests that the fetus can feel, dream, even enjoy the cat in the hat. Intelligent life in the womb. By 9 weeks, a developing fetus can hiccup and react to loud noises. By the end of the second trimester, it can hear. Just as adults do, the fetus experiences the rapid eye movement sleep of dreams, which is called REM. The fetus savors its mother's meals, first picking up the food taste of a culture in the womb. Among other mental feats, the fetus can distinguish between the voice of mom and that of a stranger and respond to a familiar story read to it. Very interesting that there will be response to the stories which fetus can hear. Even a premature baby is aware, feels, responds, and adapts to its environment. Just because the fetus is responsive to certain stimuli does not mean that it should be the target of efforts to enhance development. Hedley's Al's PhD did some studies and especially a study on developmental studies of the fetus, which was about the behavior. He was a developmental psychologist at Harvard Medical School. He says, awake or sleep, the human fetus moves 50 times or more each hour, flexing and extending its body, moving its head, face, and limbs, and exploring its warm, wet compartment by touch. He is fascinated by the amount of tactile stimulation a fetus gives itself. It touches a hand to the face, one hand to the other hand, clasps its feet, touches its foot to its leg, its hand to its umbilical cord. So these are the main structures which the fetus is touching. Fetal taste, why people grow up liking hot chilies or spicy curries, may also have something to do with the fetal environment. This is one of the thoughts. By 13 to 15 weeks, a fetus taste buds already look like a mature adult's taste buds. And doctors know that the amniotic fluid that surrounds it can smell strongly of curry, cumin, garlic, onion, and other essences from the mother's diet. Then is fetal hearing. Whether or not a fetus can taste, there is little question that it can hear. A very premature baby entering the world at 24 to 25 weeks responds to the sounds already around it, observes all, so its auditory apparatus must already have been functioning in the womb. Then comes the fetal vision. Vision is the last sense of to develop. A very premature infant can see light